Hello again. Just wanted to drop a quick video on how I store my zipper pulls. As you can see here, I've just got this little utility box. I picked it up at Joann's for about $5 or $6, and it really does the job. I have quite a few zipper pulls, and I like to keep them all in these boxes, and it works perfect. So these things come with these little divider tabs that have these little nubs connecting them. And you want to make sure you cut off as close to the divider as you can. Otherwise, those little nubs will prevent you from sticking it in the proper slots, as you'll see right here. Right there. That little guy. It's enough to prevent you from sticking it in properly. Just snip it off as close as you can, and off you go. And there you have it. This is just a shot of all of my zipper pulls in their cases, and I keep them on the wall directly behind my machine for easy access. I also keep my rivets in a similar case in the same area, which makes finishing up all of the hardware on my bags a total breeze. Hopefully this video will be helpful to someone. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave them below. Thanks!